LeShawn Sanders. I'm an IBEW Local 134 second year apprentice. I get up at 4:30 because that's what the job calls for. Being an IBEW Local 134 electrician, my jurisdiction is Cook County. So my job site might be an hour away, it might be 30 minutes away. But I feel as though having that solid foundation of waking up at 4:30 means that no matter where I go, I'm always gonna be on time. It's important to get that physical training in the morning because that's sincerely what the job consists of. As an electrician, it's physical on your body. You're doing hard manual labor, right? So having PT in the morning simulates while you're in school that physicality of the job. So essentially, motor control is an essential part of our electrical work. So we do a lot of piping, and also with that piping, you have to put wire in that pipe. So motor controls is really just a fundamental skill on wiring up.
We're gonna kind of rearrange it, touching that paperwork.
The differences between first year and second year is the amount of content that you're receiving, right? So everything that you learn first year is just compacted on second year on top of new things that you have to learn. Our coding class aims to give us a solid foundation to know the inner workings of electrical work, also to do it safely and efficiently. Code class gives us the foundation of every single thing regarding the installation and the wiring of electrical work. So we need to know depths, we need to know our correct measurements, you need to know how many wires can fit in a pipe. All of those things are integral to not only doing it right, but doing it safely. So what was appealing about this life and why I wanted to get into the trade was because at a young age, I was told the benefits of the union at 16 years old. So when I heard that you make a living wage, you're part of an international brotherhood of electrical workers, you can work anywhere in the world, and not only that, you have a skill that you can take with you anywhere in the world, you couldn't beat it. It just made too much sense in my opinion. So it was a no-brainer when I decided to do this full time and do this out of high school instead of going to college. I knew that every single worry my mother had about my success, every single time that she stayed out working late to be able to pay the rent, every single time she told me that she wanted the best for me while I used to watch her go to work 12, 14, 16 hours, I knew that it was worth it because I found myself in a place where not only do I belong, but I'm also being everything that I was meant to be. What I love about coming to the library is the sense of peace that it gives me. I'm able to really focus and hone in on whatever it is I'm trying to accomplish. I believe your environment is imperative to your success. I study circuitry, I study pipe bending, I study every single aspect of our field because I just want to be the absolute best electrician I can be. I'm also into real estate. So with real estate, I believe that it is one of the most important ways to try to build that generational wealth. And my job fortunately allows me to have a solid foundation to be able to do that. It's important for me to go to the gym on a regular basis because I believe that my body is a temple. And as I'm in the field where I'm constantly putting strain on it, I always want to make sure that I'm in tip-top condition to accomplish whatever task lies ahead for me. My family gives me all the support in the world. They mean the world to me. For my family to be able to constantly pour into me mentally and tell me that I'm doing such a great job, that I'm so far ahead from my age, it means all the difference because it not only takes a village to raise a child, but it takes a village to raise a purpose. Sign up, give it a try, and see what I saw, feel what I felt. The amount of security that you have in your future. The amount of security that you have in your life now. So to anyone who's looking to sign up, anyone who's looking to create something better for themselves, create something better for their lineage, I would say come sign up. Come give it a go. There's more than enough room for you.